Hello, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please extend a hand of friendship by liking my video and subscribing to my channel. If you're not, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be making soap with silk almond milk. So those are silk almond milk cubes, and I'm going to be adding the lye very slowly. And I freeze the cubes because I don't want the milk to burn and scorch during the process, because if it does, it creates an unpleasant smell in the soap. So I'm using the ice cubes to kind of help keep the lye solution on the cooler side. And as you can see, that lye is definitely melting those cubes. And I actually timed it, and it only took me 2 minutes and about 10 seconds for the cubes to melt. So it works fast. And when I'm making soap with milk, I try to keep the temperature around 80 degrees for the lye solution as well as the oils. So in my head, this design was going to come out a lot differently than it ended up coming out. That's why I have the mold tilted that way. It still came out pretty, but definitely not how I anticipated. Here I'm just stick blending the bottom layer because I wanted it to be a little bit thicker before I poured it. And this is what we call medium trace, ladies and gentlemen. And I'm creating a mica line here. This is King's Gold mica from Brambleberry. So again, in my head, this was going to go a little bit differently. I mixed those colors together, and aren't they so pretty? And then I realized I didn't put any fragrance in them. So now it's back to an orange color. So I put the soap in the freezer for 24 hours and then I had it out at room temperature for 24 hours before I cut it. It came out really smooth and nice on the bottom, but what I immediately noticed on the top is all that soda ash, and at that moment I remembered that I didn't put any alcohol on top, so that's my bad. Soda ash is not harmful, it's just not aesthetically pleasing. So in the comment section, if you have a particular way that you deal with soda ash or something that you do that seems to always avoid soda ash, please comment below. Thanks. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, share, and more importantly, please subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. And for now, Black Hands are out. Bye bye, guys.